soft, sweet banana bread, but make it healthy. No refined sugar, no junk, and now boosted with protein and probiotics.
Welcome back to Healthy Remix, where we remix your favorite comfort foods.
Today we're making banana bread and turning it into a clean, high-protein remix.
It's made with ripe bananas, Greek yogurt, and sweetened naturally. No refined sugar, no dyes, and no artificial flavors.
In a large bowl, combine your bananas and mash them. Then add eggs, Greek yogurt, applesauce, and vanilla. Then mix it all together until creamy. In a second bowl, combine your flour, baking soda, cinnamon, and salt. Stir to blend. Now, gently fold the dry ingredients into the wet, just until it becomes smooth and combined. Finally, chop your walnuts and cranberries. Add them into the batter for texture, healthy fats, and sweetness. Pour the batter into a greased or parchment-lined loaf pan. Bake at 350 Fahrenheit or 175 Celsius for 50 to 60 minutes. Let it cool for 10 to 15 minutes before slicing, if you can wait.
And now, finally, for the best part, the taste test. Cheers! That was so good.
Yeah, that was so flavorful.
Look at the texture, so soft, so moist, and perfectly golden on the outside.
If you love healthy comfort food glow-ups, be sure to subscribe for more remixes every week.
Comment below what you want to see next. Maybe cookies, pancakes, we've got you.